guys, welcome back to Grinning Days, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we are here to spread some good vibes and bright smiles. So today's video is very special to my heart because it's all about a little positivity. So this year has been a blast. Obviously not in a good manner, like we all have gone through some terrible to terrific phases. Like we daily go into that turmoil of thoughts where we feel that यार उसने तो weight lose कर लिया, यार उसने तो abs बना लिए, यार वो तो ये कर रहा है, यार वो तो वो कर रही है. But believe me, in all of that chaos and worst situation going around in the world, there is this one thing to be grateful for, that we are healthy, we have food to eat, and we are breathing, and that is enough reason to be grateful for. But in all of those months, it is very easy to get attacked by negativity, to get depressed, or to get stress, or to have that anxiety or fear about past, future, present. So I have developed certain habits that literally help me to find happiness in my own imperfections, to find happiness in who I am, even though I'm vulnerable at times. So I'm going to share those habits or lifestyle changes that literally help me to be a better version of myself every day. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing is gratitude. Gratitude is basically thankfulness. I mean, you can be thankful for your parents, teachers, or a friend that helped you solve a little math problem. So early in the morning, I have developed this habit of saying one prayer every day. You can skip this prayer part, but early in the morning we are like this. We are not in a mood कि हम सोचे, oh, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that. So prayer is the better option. So I say this one prayer every day, which is like this: Dear God, you're inside of me, within my very breath, within each and every bird and every mighty mountain. Thank you, God, for this beautiful day before me. Your sweet touch reaches everything and I'm well protected. May joy, love, peace and compassion be a part of my life and all those around me on this day. I am healing and I am healed. And believe me, when I'm saying God, it doesn't necessarily represent your particular God. For me, it really represents the good part inside of me, which is very kind, compassionate and pure. So early in the morning, we need to wake up that good part inside of us to start our day with little positivity. Yes, newspaper reading. It may sound cliche, but that is the best thing that you could do to start your day with. I mean, it will give you a head start to spend your entire day with so much of positivity and vibrant energy. So after my workout and having breakfast, I read this beautiful column in Hitwada called Middle Space and Inspiration. I mean, oh dear God. I mean, they daily write so many beautiful things about life, about mental health, physical health, yoga, nature and whatnot. सो बेसिकली न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने के ना बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं. पहली बात तो आपके पेरेंट्स खुश हो जाएंगे कि हमारा बेटा मोबाइल छोड़ के न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, यू विल डेवलप दिस गुड हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग मोर एंड मोर. एंड थर्ड थिंग, you will add some good values to your life and you will start your day with so much of positivity. Okay, so third thing is book reading / spend some time with parents. So after having my lunch and doing my work, I daily read books or spend some time with my parents. Okay, even if you're not reader, then just spend some time with your lovely parents because they need your time too. हमने ना इस लॉकडाउन में एक शेल बना लिया है जिसमें हमको बस नेटफ्लिक्स और चिल करना है, सोशल मीडिया पे स्क्रॉल करना है या फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ चैटिंग करना है. बट बिलीव मी, योर पेरेंट्स नीड योर टाइम टू. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कुछ दिन पहले ना आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू सम रफ पैच. समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था लाइफ में क्या करूँ. सो एक दिन क्या हुआ कि आई जस्ट वेंट इन टू माई पेरेंट्स बेडरूम, cuddled them, hugged them, talked with them, and believe me, in that moment I felt like I got everything in this world. So just spend some time with them too because they need your time, love and care. Okay, so fourth thing is nature. Around 4 to 5 p.m. I daily watch sunset, and along with that sunset you could watch those beautiful birds going back to their homes and nest. And believe me, within that moment अगर आप 10 minutes का meditation करते हो तो क्या बात है. एंड बिलीव मी, यू विल फील लाइक व्हाट अ डे इट वाज. एंड मुझे ना उस मोमेंट में हमेशा एक बात याद आती है, लाइक द डायरी ऑफ अ यंग गर्ल, एक बुक है जिसमें एनी फ्रैंक ने लिखा है, लाइक एज लॉन्ग एज यू कैन वॉच दैट ब्यूटिफुल स्काई fearlessly, you will know that you are pure within and you will be happy again. And believe me, you are gonna be happy again, because nature has solution for your every solace, for your every pain. So spend some time with nature too. ओके, सो फिफ्थ थिंग इज क्षमा प्रार्थना. आय मीन मला नाही माहिती याला इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणतात, बट माय फादर ऑलवेज सेज दिस, दॅट क्षमा वीरस्य भूषणम. That means if you are brave enough, you will forgive others and yourself too. And I always believe that it all starts from here, whether it's your anger, love, pain. So before going to bed, forgive others and forgive yourself too. Let go of that anger, pain, hurt within your heart, and sleep like a baby with clean and pure heart. So these are the 5 habits or lifestyle changes that literally gonna help you to be a better version of yourself every day. But believe me, these are not magic solutions. Like, this is a process, this is a journey, and you need to push yourself little bit extra hard every day to be that positive person, to be a better version of yourself every day. So yeah, like this video, and if you're gonna try these techniques and if you feel any sort of change, then do tell me in the comment section. Share it with your friends, and till then, keep spreading some good vibes and white smiles. Bye bye.